Hi, my name is Omar and I'm the CEO of 1000 Kelvin.
I'm Katharina and I'm the CTO.
Our vision is to make industrial 3D printing as simple as paper printing. I know, it's ambitious, but we enable companies using additive manufacturing in production to get qualified parts to the market faster and at a lower cost. We are proud to have released the world's first AI copilot for this purpose, called AMAIZE.
AMAIZE uses AI models and automation to configure print jobs, predict print challenges and correct them, increasing the number of prints that are perfect on the first try. It effectively minimizes the amount of time engineers have to spend on print preparation and significantly cuts down waste material produced by trial and error. AMAIZE currently operates both as a standalone product and within Autodesk Fusion 360, providing versatility and integration to a broad range of users.
The Copilot aspect of 1000 Kelvin's technology is crucial for the future of our industry, especially considering the skills crisis and the major reshoring initiatives. We may have an abundance of 3D printing systems, but assuring the availability of experts as well as a high production yield is becoming a critical issue. We are committed this does not become a bottleneck.
AMAIZE is the future of additive manufacturing, ready to accelerate your business today.